warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ananda Edelweiss. I'm from Universitas Pamulang, English Department, Faculty of Letters. So, let's talk about It Ends With Us movie based on Colin Hoover famous novel. So, it is a powerful story about love, heartbreak, and finding strength. In this movie, I will explore its story, characters, and moral value with a deeper meaning.
We all have an idea of what love can be, but 15 seconds. That's all it takes to completely change everything.
It Ends With Us.
So, before we dive into story of It Ends With Us, let's start with something to get us thinking and feeling connected to the themes of the movie. Today we will reflect on choices, relationships, and the strength it takes to break cycles of toxic relationship. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever faced a moment where you had to make a really tough decision? Maybe it was something that felt right at the time, but was not the best for your future. Or maybe it was a choice that changed your life completely. And today, we were going to explore those moments as they connect to the movie It Ends With Us. This movie is not just a love story, but it's about resilience, growth, and the courage to break free from difficult situations. And for the next session, let me tell you about the synopsis of It Ends With Us. It's about a young woman named Lily Bloom. She is smart, ambitious, and determined to create a better future for herself. But life has not been easy for her as she grew up watching her mom in an abusive, toxic relationship. And it's left a mark on her. In Boston, where she is starting over, and Lily meets two men and change her life. First, there's Ryle Kinsey, a successful and confident neurosurgeon. He's everything Lily thought she wanted. But as their relationship grows up, she starts to see sides of him that make her trust issue and make her question if love is enough. Hello, Milky. And then there's Atlas Corrigan, her first love from the past. Atlas was her safe place during hard times, and when they met again, old feelings started to surface, making her life even more complicated. The story is about more than romance. It's about Lily finding the strength to make tough decisions and break free from the painful cycles of her past, especially in her trust issue of toxic relationship. She has to choose what's best for her future, even if it means making heartbreaking sacrifices. Lily struggles because she loves Ryle, and she remembers how her own mother stayed in an abusive marriage. She doesn't want to repeat that cycle, but it is hard to leave someone she cares about. Her journey becomes one of courage, deciding to stand up for herself and not accept a relationship that causes of her pain. She also reconnects with Atlas, her childhood love and first love, who reminds her what kindness and respect look like in a relationship. Lily struggles because she loves Ryle, and she remembers how her own mother stayed in an abusive marriage. She doesn't want to repeat that cycle, but it is hard to leave someone she cares about. Her journey becomes one of courage, deciding to stand up for herself and not save a relationship that causes of her pain. She also reconnects with Atlas, her childhood love and first love, who reminds her what kindness and respect look like in a relationship. And by the end of the story, Lily finds the strength to break free from the abuse and create a better life for herself and her daughter. She shows that even though it is hard to let go, choosing yourself and your future is the most important thing. The story teaches that love should never hurt and that everyone deserves to be treated with care and respect. And let's talk about the important parts of the story in It Ends With Us. Let's break down the literary elements of the movie, such as the first one is about the main theme of this story. It's about breaking cycles of toxic relationships. Lily, the main character, grew up witnessing an abusive relationship, and her journey is about finding strength to stop those patterns from continuing in her own life. Moreover, Love and Sacrifice tell the story of how love is not always enough to overcome certain challenges. And self-discovery show when Lily's journey is as much about understanding herself as it is about her relationships with others. The story shows that love, while powerful, is not always enough to overcome challenges in a relationship, especially when abuse is involved. This experience affects her deeply and makes her determined to avoid repeating the same toxic relationships. And however, when she falls in love with Ryle, a man who initially seems perfect but later reveals abusive behavior. She finds herself in a situation similar to her mother's. The theme highlights the importance of recognizing red flags and understanding that staying in a harmful relationship is not the answer, no matter how much love is involved. It takes immense courage for Lily to choose to live Ryle, especially because she still loves him. Her decision reflects the broader message that love should never hurt, and that self-respect and safety must come first. Okay? So here we go. One of the most important parts of It Ends With Us is how it talks about serious social issues like toxic relationships and abusive. These are tough but important topics that the story handles with care. The story shows how relationships can seem perfect on the outside but have problems underneath. Lily's relationship with Ryle starts out full of love and passion, but over time, his controlling and hurtful behavior begins to show. Lily grew up seeing abuse in her parents' relationship, and this shaped her view of love and life. Moreover, the movie shows how abuse doesn't just affect the person going through it. It can also leave lasting scars on children and families. But it also reminds us that we have the power to stop these cycles of toxic relationships. And the story is not just about pain, it is also about hope and strength. Lily's journey shows that even if it is hard, people can stop the cycle of abuse. It takes courage to make tough decisions for your own happiness and safety, but it is worth it. The movie's message is clear, such as abuse is never okay and breaking free is possible. It inspires people to believe in their own strengths and build healthier, happier lives. What makes Lily's story powerful is her courage to break free. She realizes that love is not enough if it comes with harm. Her journey shows us how hard it can be to live, but also how important it is to choose selfly and self-respect. It Ends With Us is not just about love story, but it is of strength and hope. It opens our eyes to the reality of toxic relationships and abuse, while inspiring us to make healthier choices and support others who may be going through the same. Let's reflect on these lessons as we explore Lily's journey. Say hi. The next one is about the characters in It Ends With Us. It Ends With Us movie, such as the first one is Lily Bloom as the main character. She is strong and calm woman who wants a better life. She is not afraid to make tough decisions to protect herself and her future. And the next is Ryle Kincaid as the dynamic character. He's a smart and confident man, but he has personal issues that make his relationship with Lily is difficult. And Atlas Corrigan as the flat character. He is from Lily's past and represents hope and safety. Atlas is gentleman and understanding, very different from Ryle. Okay, next let's talk about the cultural elements in It Ends With Us. Lily's decisions are strongly influenced by her family, especially of memories of her parents. She grew up watching her mom in an unhealthy and abusive relationship, and those experiences stayed with her. The story shows how much our past, especially our family life, can affect the way we think and act. In many cultures, there's pressure to stay in relationships or prioritize family, even if things are not healthy. Lily feels this pressure too, but she has to decide if she will follow the expectations or break free and choose her own path. The movie also highlights the courage it to break away from toxic relationships. Lily's journey is about ending of the cycle of hurt and creating a better future for herself and her daughters and her loved ones. It's a powerful reminder that we can go change our story no matter where we come from. Additionally, It Ends With Us shows how family and culture influence who we are, but also inspires us to be brave and make choices that lead to a healthier and happier life. Let's keep this in mind as we watch Lily's story, okay? Well, we come to the end of this video. It Ends With Us is not just your typical love story. It is a roller coaster of emotions, showing us the power of breaking free from toxic relationships. Well, we come to the end of this video. It Ends With Us is not just your typical love story. It is a roller coaster of emotions, showing us the power of breaking free from toxic relationships and the importance of choosing ourselves no matter how hard it is. Lily decides to leave Ryle even though she still loves him, because she knows staying in an abusive relationship would hurt both her and her daughter. By making this choice, Lily shows great strength and courage. She refuses to let her past or her pain control her future. Instead, she breaks the cycle of abuse. she saw as a child and starts building a healthier, safer life for herself and her daughter. The story ends with a hopeful message. Love can be complicated, but real love starts with respecting yourself and making choices that are good for you. It reminds people to value themselves and believe they can create better and brighter future. Through Lily's journey, we see the struggle, the heartbreak, and the courage it takes to start fresh. If you've ever felt like you are stuck in a bad situation or faced two choices, this movie will definitely hit home. It's all about finding the strength to move forward, and remember, we all deserve the love that makes us feel safe and valued. And alright, that's a wrap for today's video, guys. It Ends With Us is such a powerful movie with so many lessons about love, strength, and breaking free from toxic situations. And Lily's story teaches us that no matter how tough things get, we have the power to choose a better life for ourselves. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a comment telling me your thoughts on the movie. Thank you for watching, and remember, you deserve the love that lifts you up. Stay strong, stay true to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye. Apa? Say hello dulu. Bye bye. Bye bye dulu. Bye bye dulu.